Hello, my name is Zak van der Walt. This is my student number. Okay, today I'm going to show you my badge assignment. When I began the creation of this brain, I had to find new ideas on the internet and to see how other people made models of the brain. Here I demonstrate the cross-sectional area of the brain and how it looks in the inside. Please don't be mistaken, this orange part here is the temporal lobe at your ear, but I've placed it here because you can see it when you do the cross-sectional area, but this is actually on the back side of this cross-sectional area, not in the middle. So please don't be fooled by that. Okay, secondly, I had to use the information I received in my OPV class about different lobes, like the cerebellum and the frontal lobe. And these lobes I've indicated with different colors, and you can see them all here. Okay. It was difficult for me to think about how I would create this brain. Because I have a fixed mindset, I don't really like thinking outside the box, but I embraced the challenge and did my best to give the best result. One of the things I've also learned is that the brain consists of different lobes, and different lobes have different responsibilities to keep you alive and to help you think, etc. and learn. Another thing I've learned is that the brain exists, in the brain there exist neurons, and these neurons get interconnected. When you're performing a task and you're getting better at that task every time, you will see that it becomes easier and easier over time. This is because neuron pathways is constantly being made inside your brain. These are the stuff that makes you have a good skill or be talented in something, or at least look talented in something. Okay. I have a few things I'm wondering about the brain that I don't have the answer to quite now. One of the things I don't understand is the fact that some people find it easier to study and learn new concepts than others. I remember this in school. Some of my fellow friends in the class found it much more easier than me to understand the new math problems. I didn't understand this, and till this day I don't understand why that is. Okay. The second question I wonder about the brain is how the hormones work in the brain. I know there is chemicals being set free in the brain, and the brain reacts to it, and you get feelings. But these feelings can be so strong that it's difficult to comprehend how the brain absorbs these feelings and how the feelings are felt. Like love and empathy and all that stuff. And fear is very interesting for me. One interesting thing I've learned about the brain is how it reacts to different situations. For example, I remembered when I was in high school, I had to give a presentation to the whole school about, I can't remember now what it was, but I remembered that it was extremely stressful because I didn't know my speech to the dot, and some people asked me questions about the event or whatever, and I didn't know I have to keep myself calm when I was talking to all the people. So I didn't use the full capacity of my brain because my brain went into a panic mode, and this made me think, look incompetent, or didn't understand what I was saying. But now I've learned that it is extremely important to keep your emotions suppressed when you're talking to people. This will enable you to be more precise in your communication. Thus, that day, I think nobody understood what I said to them. And I've realized that when I saw their faces when I was done. But okay, thank you very much. This was my badge assignment. A good day to you.